Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get a Chime bank statement. So you want to get your bank statement on Chime. This video is for you. Let's get right into it. Now the first method is through the Chime mobile app. So what you want to do, of course, is to first go ahead and open the Chime app on your mobile device and log in your accounts. Third, you want to do is to tap on the account or statement tab, then select the account for which you want to view the statement. Then choose the statement period. That could be 30 days, 60 days, a year, whatever. And the last step is to tap view statement to access that statement. That's the first method. Now the second method, of course, is through the app, through the Chime website. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Chime account on your website, and then click your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then you want to select account settings or statement from the drop down menu. Then choose the account for which you want to view the statement, and of course select the statement period, and finally click view statement to access your statement. The third method is requesting a paper statement. Now how you do this is also very simple. You first gotta log into your Chime account on either the mobile app or the website. Then you have to go to account settings or statement section, and then select paper statements or request a paper statement. And then you want to confirm your mailing address and other details, and Chime will mail a paper statement to you. So that's pretty much it. Those are the three methods to check your statements. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, be sure to like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.